Hi, this is Lance Edwards. This is Monday, May 4th, 2020. And here we are embarking on the second full month of the COVID pandemic. Today's topic is Watch Warren. Watch Warren. Hey, last Friday I announced a special report I had released called Profiting in Crisis, the Ethical Opportunist Plan for Real Estate Investing. And in that report, I made reference to similarities to 2008-2009 crisis, financial crisis, and what's going on now, and how this is the same but even better. And in that report, also talked about how, looking at what Warren Buffett did back during the 2008-2009 crisis. Well, since Friday, Warren Buffett came out and announced what he's doing for this crisis. He's set aside $50 billion in cash to go out and take ownership interest in companies that need help. And that's precisely the strategy that I'm recommending in the report. It's precisely the strategy I'm recommending for you in apartments. Now, it doesn't take $50 billion to do this. First thing I want you to recognize that every apartment is simply a small business. Apartment operations are nothing but small businesses. We're in the rental housing business. And so many of these businesses, because of lack of cash reserves and the lack of rents being paid, are finding themselves in various forms of financial distress. And that's the ethical opportunity to assist, whether it's outright acquisition, if that's what the owner wants, or if it's a cash injection, that could be part of the offer as well. But that is what is going to be presenting itself, and is presenting itself now as we get deeper into what I call the COVID recession. Now, it doesn't have to be your cash. Matter of fact, you don't necessarily need any cash many times in these situations. As we teach, and is very common in commercial real estate transactions, there's all types of creative financing techniques that require little to no cash in order to take over a property. Now, that being said, you need cash reserves. If you're going to own and operate an apartment building, if nothing, COVID has demonstrated, you have to have cash reserves when stuff happens. So if you don't have the cash, where does that cash come from? Private investors. You simply raise the cash reserves from private investors and give them return for their money. And that's a pretty straightforward opportunity and easy thing to accomplish when you have distressed prices, lowered prices in a recession, certainly like this COVID recession we're entering into. So that's your game plan. That's your game plan, is start your marketing, find deal flow, find the owners that need help, and start making different offers and different propositions to them. And I discussed that in the special report. So if you haven't got the special report yet, we'll place a link below this audio so you can download it now. It's free. And I want you to read it because it's designed to give you the confidence and to give you the plan of how to move forward in the COVID recession. Have a great day. Have a great week, everyone. Bye.